Right, Mike, ginger out and about, or at the minute we'll call it ginger lockdown. Right, so it's the day and we go get some chickens, but I ain't got a box, so I'm just gonna knock a quick case box up to, it only needs big enough for 2 chickens because that's all I'm getting, so I might as well, for what it's gonna be, how quick it's gonna be, I'll bring it on the adventure with me. Right, let's get creating a box. Right, so at the minute all I've done is all these are the same length, but I've got 2 narrow ones, they're going to be the walls height, and 2 wider ones for a base and a bottom. At the minute all I've done is cut 4 of these tantalised, same as them, so that'll build the box, and I've got these 2 offcuts left. We'll make the end, we'll put some, I ain't got no hinges, so we'll have to, I don't know, maybe loop some, drill some holes in it and loop some cordage around to make an hinge, and same at the front hinge, and then I'm going to put a little bit of a grill, like the mesh, the breathe plate across one. So right, I'll get this bit screwed up and I'll bring you back to show you what I'm on about. Right, so I've got it knocked up to that stage, so I'm just going to cut some more of this stuff, get it in here, then we'll get the 2 ends on, and then we'll form some type of lid and some breathe vent. Whether I put I might just put like 4, 5, 25 mil holes through, or I might put a bit of cage on. We'll see, it's just a quick project quickly, so probably like a half an hour project just so I can go get my chickens sorted. Probably a 15-minute project without filming, but lockdown and all that. Right, I'll get these cut, these pieces, we'll get them put in and we'll trace some ends out. Right, so as with most of my projects, I get carried away doing it and forget about filming. So at the minute we've just got a box with, so that's all I've done for that. If I ever need it again I can get some proper hinges for it. At this side just got this, so that there we go, I can just put a shoestring tie on that and that seals that end up. I'm going to put some breathe holes down and some hand grips each side to carry it with, and I think that should do it. Right, I'll get these drilled, get it finished up, and then I'll bring you back to have a look. Right, so to create my handles, all I've done is I've come down so I'm past the beams, come in so I'm past the beams, and it's just a case of then lining these through. Jiggy. There we go. I've already done this side. Just going to give these a sand round. Drill a series of breathe holes in the side, and then we're done. Right, so there it is. Quick, cheerful. Took in total probably, I don't know, 45 minutes of filming. So let's have a look. Oh, what's in there, look. Right, We've already been and got him. So you'll see me introduce him to the coop. So right, I'll grab one out and we'll go from there. Oh, there's the speckled mirren doing what it does. But the white Sussex haven't been out yet. They've probably been in there now, I don't know, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, something like that. But the white Sussex is happy just to stay up. I don't think it's got the confidence to come down yet. But we'll see. So there's the box that came in. There they are, scratching away. I'd like to see about whether they can dig right out of there. I don't know, I'll have to look into that. I don't know if that's what they do, if they dig down deep enough to go underneath it. I'll have to check it out. Right, there we go. I'll bring you some updates on these. I'll catch you in a bit.